Hi, welcome to my kitchen. I'm Chef Kimmy. Today we're going to show you how to cook FuJian Fried Rice. It's different type of fried rice. So I will show you all the ingredients. Let's start now. We're using two Chinese mushroom. Just cut it in a small piece. We're using 4 scallops. Normally we're using a dry scallop. In convenient way, I use the fresh scallop. Just cut it in small piece. We're gonna marinate the chicken thigh, pinch of pepper, pinch of salt, half teaspoon of corn flour, and give it a good mix. And a teaspoon of cooking oil, and mix them up as well. Uh, 2 teaspoons of corn flour mixed with 40 ml of water. So we got 80 grams of shrimp and 2 eggs. And a carrot and a spring onion with 2 pieces of ginger and a courgette as well. Heat up the pan for 1 minute and you pour a tablespoon of cooking oil, and now you add the egg on. Let them fry for one side until you can smell the fragrance of the eggs. And now you can put the rice in now. So just give them a good fry and stir. Make sure you control the heat, not overburn them. And now you just separate it, trying to add all the rice. Now we put a pinch of the salt, and half teaspoon of light soy sauce, because we don't want too salty, just want to give them a bit of a taste on it. So now all done now. Heat up the pan for 1 minute. I added a tablespoon of cooking oil. And we'll fry the chicken thigh now. Just separate them first and fry for one side until they're a bit golden brown on one side. Then we can turn it around and give them a good fry. You don't need to be cooked 100% because we got to be fry it again. Frying the shrimp now. we just want to give them a bit of fry, get the taste out of it, and we'll put the fresh scallop in as well. But make sure you not fully cook them because we need to cook them again, otherwise they will all shrink. I would say less than 1 minute. Add a teaspoon of cooking oil in, Chinese mushroom, and give them a good fry until you can smell the fragrance of Chinese mushroom, ginger and spring onion. Give them a good fry. They're a good combination with the mushroom, ginger and spring onion. And add the courgette in. And give them a good fry. And the carrot. We put the chicken back again. And the pawn with the scallop. So tablespoon of cooking white wine, and teaspoon of oyster sauce, and a pinch of pepper, and give them a good mix. Add the water or stop until the top of the label same as full. So it's about 150 ml. I add a bit of salt in. And the corn flour water to make them thick. So you add little bit by little bit, and then give them a stir. And now you just put little bit by little bit until you can see it's thick enough. And a teaspoon of sesame oil. Should be done now. So we put all of these over the rice. Look at that, so lovely. And thank you for watching it. Please subscribe our channel and give us a like for the video.